Good morning students, it's your computer class and we were going through your chapter number 2, okay, which is computer hardware. This is your chapter and in this chapter we have discussed about the computer system, okay, a computer hardware and computer software. And in computer hardware we have gone through these points like motherboard, CPU and also input devices. Now today we will go through output devices, okay. You know what are output devices? Output devices are the devices which gives output, which gives you the result from the computer, okay, after completing the processing, okay. So today we will go through these output devices on your page 18. See here, it's your page 18 and this is your page. Now I will go through your book. Output devices. Output devices are special types of computer hardware that are used to produce output. Now from the starting of the chapter I have told you that these all are your computer hardware, because in these output devices you can touch these all devices and you can also feel this. So these all are your computer hardware. Monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, these all are your computer hardware. These are all your output devices, okay. Now first of all we will go through monitor. The monitor is the main output device. It looks like a television set. Now first there is a monitor. This monitor, as in your previous classes you have gone through this monitor. What is a monitor? You have seen the monitor on the computer? Yes, it is like a television screen, and whatever the computer will display, it will display on the screen of this monitor. So a monitor is the main output device. It's the main output device because whatever the results is given by the computer after the processing is given by this monitor only, okay. It looks like a television set. It looks like a television screen. It shows text and pictures on the screen. Now on the monitor, what do you see? You see this text and pictures. You see these all things on the monitor. It is also known as VDU, visual display unit. Now what is VDU? VDU. V for visual, then display, then after unit, okay. So it's your visual display unit. Visual display unit. It's also called what? It is also, monitor is also known as visual display unit, okay. Now after that the output on the monitor screen is called soft copy output. Now whatever the output the monitor will give on the screen, whatever the output is on the monitor, see here, it's your monitor, okay. Now in this monitor, here is the monitor screen. You may see here, this is the monitor screen, and whatever the output monitor will give, it will give on this screen, and this output is known as the soft copy output, okay. But what is soft copy output? Soft copy output is the output given by the monitor given by the computer on the monitor screen, okay. It is the soft copy output, okay. So we have discussed about monitor. What is monitor? It is like a television screen. It is the main output device, and also it is known as VDU, visual display unit. V for visual display and unit. And after that also in the result it displays on the screen. Whatever the result is displayed on the monitor screen is your soft output, okay. A soft copy output. It is known as soft copy output, okay. I am writing also here. This result is known as soft copy output, okay. Okay class, so this all was about your monitor. Then after we will go through printer. What is printer? You know what is printer? You will be very familiar with this name, printer. Now printer is an output device used to print the output on the paper. Printer is an output device. It is also output device because today we are going through the output devices. So printer is an output device used to print the output on the paper. Whatever you want to print on the paper, it is used to print. This printer, with the help of this printer you will print the whatever you will have to print. It is on the paper. You will print this with this printer only, okay. It's the output device. The output on the paper is known as a hard copy output. Now the output on the paper is known as the hard copy output. But see, when you are using a printer, you will print something, okay, on a paper, and the output on the paper, and when the printer will give the output, when you will take the output from the printer, it will give on the paper, and on that paper is known as what? Hard copy output. Okay, what is it is known as hard copy output. Okay class, so it was all about printer. What is printer? Printer is an output device because it gives you the result, okay, and used to print the output on a paper, and output on a paper is also known as a hard copy output. It is also known as hard copy output. Now after printer there is speakers, okay. Now I think this speaker you generally have at your homes also. They come in pairs. They are generally two. They come in pairs. Speakers are sound based output devices. What are speakers? These speakers make your these speakers are your sound based output devices. These makes your sound louder, okay. They produce sound to listen to music on computer. Now this speaker, what it does, what is the use of this speaker? This will make you, this speaker will make you to listen to the music on the computer. This is attached on the computer, and you can listen the music in the computer also, okay. So this speaker are sound based output devices. What these are sound based output devices. The result they give in their sound, okay, they are speakers. And you can see these speakers. Here are your speakers, and they generally come in pairs, okay. Pairs meaning two, they are generally two. Now they produce sound to listen to music on computer. And what is the work of this speaker? The work of this speaker is to produce sound to listen to the computer, okay. Now after that speaker, we have gone through this speaker, and after it we will go through a plotter, okay. Now a plotter is an output device which produces line drawings with different ink colors. See here, it's a plotter. See, it's your plotter, you can see here. And a plotter is an output device. It is also an output device. And what is the work of this plotter? Which produces line drawings. It will produce line drawings with different ink colors. Now it will produce the line drawings with colored paper. It will give your paper, colored paper, okay. So it's a plotter. The printer will give you only the hard copy. It would not be colored, but if you are using the plotter, then it will give you the output with a colored paper, line drawings and all with the ink colors, okay, with different ink colors. So it's a plotter. Now these all things, this monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, these all are giving you the result, okay. These all are giving you the result from the computer. So these all are your output devices, and these all are also the computer hardware, because you can touch and you can feel all these. So okay class, it was about your output devices, and after that in our next classes we will go through your next topic, okay.